I have here two types of hoes, what I call laser hoe and then regular hoe. Of course, as you can tell, this is not sharp, so that needs to be sharpened. But even then, it is usable if you use it properly. If your goal is to go like this, shave the soil surface, it is working and it's killing the weeds. If you want to wait to get rid of weeds when they are this big, where when you go on the surface it's doing nothing, you have to dig. Good luck trying to dig all day. You'll have blisters and you hate yourself and you hate your family and you hate gardening and that's not what we want. So hoeing basically is a sharp hoe. Think of it as you are shaving the top inch and getting rid of the seedlings when they are young as possible. If they are reached this stage or perennials, that's different tools to get. I also like this one because this spacing is and it's lighter and it has an opening, and this spacing I like it because this is the spacing that will go between my plant. So if I go like this and just go on the surface, so anytime I'm planting onion, garlic, the spacing of my crop is never closer than this space. So 6 inches is the closest I plant. This way I know I can use this all day in between the crops, let's say this way or this way, and remove the weeds. The advantage also of the laser hoe is that it can get a little bit bigger weeds because it's thin and sharp and it can go under. See, it went under and current. You go like this, it's much easier to go because it's thin like a blade, unlike that one that needs sharpening. Okay, so try to do this. Get one of these, and anytime you want to plant them no shorter than this distance. This way you can go and put your hoe like this and then go on the edge of the row, especially if they are lined up and you know you are, of course, if they are in a straight line. See, all I'm doing is running it and exerting minimum pressure so that, and it's already cut the roots. It's still there, but the root is cut and it will die with time. Okay, so get the right tool, use it properly at the right time, and you can be weeding all day.